All right, guys, we're back at the World of Concrete 2023 here at the Bosch Tools booth. We've made it outside to where the cool stuff really is, and I got Will here. Will's going to talk to us about some new products that they're coming out with for Q1 of 2023. And what do we have here? What's great about the recip saw?
Here is the GSA 18B110. This is our most powerful cordless recip saw. It is a PROFACTOR tool, taking advantage of the extra power from our 8 and 12 amp hour batteries. We've optimized it for metal cutting. That's what they're used the most for, so we really want to be fastest cutting in metal. So we got 1.125" stroke length, 2,900 strokes per minute to really get through metal fast. But we also really want to get through wood too, so we added an orbital mode so you can get through wood extra quick too.
Okay, so there's a gearbox in there, I guess, that turns the RPMs up for metal and down for wood?
It's not the RPM, it's the action of the blade. Rather, you want to go
stroke
straight. The stroke pattern. So for metal cutting or clean wood cutting, you just want to go straight back and forth, linear motion. But when you really want to get through wood aggressively, you actually lift up as you go back through. Like with an old hand saw, you'd want to like lift up to get back through. So you're not dragging and slowing yourself down. So it goes extra fast cutting through because you get less resistance on the backstroke.
Perfect. So this tool here recreates that oscillating motion that's great for wood, and then for metal it's straight cutting to make it
straight
more
cutting for metal. You want nice and clean there, reducing the chatter.
Awesome. Well, the best part of your job is probably demoing it, right?
Oh, I love it.
All right, let's get a good look at it.
All right, we'll start you off with some metal here. And then we got the saw hook, nice and handy also.
Just like they show you on TV. Nice and fast. So as far as like other features that this might have that makes it a little bit more ergonomic and easier to use, what kind of features are you looking at there? I see you got the clip on top.
Yeah, we got the saw hook. A big one is our patented lockjaw technology. So we got spring eject for the blade, so you don't have to touch the hot blade. Big thing though is normally you got to turn the collar with one hand, put the blade in with the second hand, and hold the tool with the third hand. So we have a patent here, lockjaw, where we can just push the blade right in.
Snaps closed.
Snaps in, and you're good to go.
All right, that's awesome. And as far as battery technology, what do you guys usually run on these, or is there a couple different options?
So you can use any of our 18-volt batteries out on this, but for the best performance, the 8 or 12 amp hour PROFACTOR core batteries are what you're going to want.
All right. Well, we certainly appreciate your time, man. It's an awesome tool. Appreciate it. Thanks for demoing it for you. And we'll be right back with some more cool tools that Bosch Tools has open for us for 23. Keep it locked on the At 10 Gallons Concrete Podcast.